Hi buddies, welcome back. Today I want to show you how you can insert a SIM card to your Samsung Galaxy A05s. When we go to our settings and then go to connections and go to SIM manager, we say that we do not have a SIM card inserted. We also don't have signal, so we can't make phone calls or send SMS or stuff. So we'll go ahead and you can take your SIM card ejector that comes with the phone, or you can take a simple paper clip, whatever you have nearby, and then we will look for the SIM card slot. And on this phone, it is here on the side. So we press the paper clip inside the hole and then take the whole thing out, and we see that we have a space for 2 SIM cards and then also an SD card. And we will take our SIM card now first of all and put that in the first slot here, and then we'll put the whole thing back in the phone. And the first thing we need to do is to unlock our SIM card, and now we're back in the phone. We have signal now, so we can make phone calls. Our SIM manager opens up. We see Kongstar, which is our provider. So we can now make phone calls and SMS and stuff. So that's how you can insert a SIM card to your Samsung Galaxy A05s. Hope you liked it, hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe. And I hope to see you next time. Bye.